In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello boards to ClickUp. If you're moving from Trello, this migration is a great way to take your projects from a simple Kanban setup into a more powerful, organized system. ClickUp gives you a true hierarchy, native time tracking, built-in docs, and the ability to view the same tasks across multiple views like Gantt and workload. That means clearer timelines, better insight into team capacity, and fewer add-ons to manage. With advanced automations and task dependencies, your workflows stay connected and efficient in one centralized place. Let's get started. First, log into ClickUp using your secure credentials and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Once you're in, look to the top left and click your workspace avatar. From the menu, select Settings. This is your control center for all workspace level configurations and tools, including data imports. In the Settings area, find the Import is Exports option in the sidebar. Click into it, then select Start Import. This opens the Import tool where ClickUp lists supported platforms. Choose Trello from the Import from Apps section. ClickUp will guide you through connecting your Trello account so it can read your boards and bring them over accurately. Next, authorize access. Click Import from Trello, then approve the connection so ClickUp can access your Trello data. This is a standard authorization flow, and you can always manage or revoke app permissions later if needed. Once authorized, ClickUp will pull in your available boards for selection. Now it's time to map your data. Choose which Trello boards you want to import, and decide whether to bring them into a brand new space or place them inside an existing one. A new space is useful if you want a clean separation, while an existing space can help consolidate related work. Take a moment to review how your boards, tasks, and fields will land in ClickUp so your structure stays intuitive for your team. To complete the import, map Trello users to the right members in ClickUp. This ensures task assignees and collaborators carry over correctly. Then map your lists so your workflow translates as expected. When everything looks right, finalize the import and let ClickUp do the heavy lifting. Depending on board size, this may take a moment. When it's done, explore your tasks in different views. Try Gantt or workload for a fresh perspective, and consider leveraging automations to cut down on repetitive work. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.